Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. So in today's video, obviously it is a different format. We are in my spare bedroom, kind of where I keep my coupon stock and a bunch of junk back there, obviously. But I did ask earlier in the week over on my Instagram. If you're not following me there, go ahead and follow me. We just hit 3,000 followers and a giveaway is coming real soon to celebrate that. But I did ask, since my content is lacking this week, what rebate app do you need the most help on that you would like a tutorial on just to try to get you more comfortable with using it? And so I pretty much listed Shopkicks, Swagbucks, Ibotta, and Fetch Rewards. A lot of y'all voted for Swagbucks. So we're going to cover Swagbucks today. I definitely want to start bringing more tutorials and newbie-friendly videos into my channel now that I kind of understand more of it and feel like I can give more guidance on those topics. So this is, I guess, the beginning to creating some newbie-friendly tutorials to help all of those out that are just beginning couponing or new to the rebate apps, etc. So we're going to go over Swagbucks today. Swagbucks is actually really simple. It is not hard to try to understand once you really get to know it. So I'm going to be helping y'all out and doing a screen share with y'all to kind of get comfortable with using the Swagbucks app. There is a lot on the Swagbucks app that can kind of confuse you at first glimpse when you open the app. It's just so much going on with online shopping and then in-store shopping, and then you can do surveys to earn extra cash. But don't let any of that confuse you or overwhelm you per se. It's super easy to go and look at the rebates if you are wanting to shop in store and do some rebate shopping. Super easy to scroll through there, see what Swagbucks is offering, and super easy to submit receipts. I will also be showing you how to correct a receipt. And yeah, so I think we're going to go ahead and get right into it and waste no time. If you are new to my channel and just found me, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Please be sure to consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload, and give the video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. I also want to point out, hopefully, that this lighting and positioning is not too funky. I got a ring light for Christmas. I'm playing around with it, and I also got a phone stand, sort of like a little, I don't know what it's called, but I'm playing around with those things today, so maybe it'll get better here in the future. Hopefully it does, but for right now, this is what it's going to have to be. So we're going to go ahead and do the screen share and show y'all how to maneuver through the Swagbucks app, how to submit a receipt, how to submit for a correction of receipt, and then we will debrief. So let's go ahead and get it. So I'm going to start by going into the Swagbucks app right here. And we are at the home screen. So right here, when it loads, you will see the first page will show you where you can earn Swagbucks by doing certain surveys. I normally don't do this. In the beginning, when I first downloaded it, I was doing the surveys just to have some extra cash. But now that I do the rebates, I really don't use this portion of Swagbucks. So we will go over to the next tab, which is Shop. And Shop will show you the online offers. I never really use this. I don't think I ever have used it. But if you are a frequent online shopper, I would suggest it if you're wanting to earn some cash back for a purchase you may already make. So that is an option there. But you will go over to Magic Receipts to look at the in-store offers. So here you see there is some offers showing up. We have any in-store receipt, any digital receipt, and then you start seeing the offers. So I'm just going to go ahead and click a random one. We'll go for the soft soap liquid hand soap right here. It says 200 Swagbucks in-store and online. So 200 Swagbucks is the equivalent of $2. So here it'll tell you right there the maximum of 2 receipt submissions per month for this offer. So you can do this deal twice per calendar month. So when you buy one of the eligible soft soaps listed here, it shows you the scents and varieties. You'll earn 50 Swagbucks, 50 cents. When you buy 2, you'll earn 200 Swagbucks. And then it'll show you, as you scroll down, the maximum of 2 receipt submissions per month for this offer. And it shows you what stores it is eligible for. Walmart. So you will not do this rebate at Dollar General per se, because it will not give you the Swagbucks back for it. It shows you right down below where it is eligible for redemption. And then as you go down, it shows you the eligible products, the scents and variety that is included. These are definitely the top things you want to read while you're looking at rebates, because sometimes you don't want to purchase a wrong item at the wrong store and not get the Swagbucks credited that you were anticipating for. So this is definitely very helpful information when you are checking out the rebates you want to grab on Swagbucks. So we'll go ahead and go back to Magic Receipts. And like I said, it just shows you all the offers. As you scroll down, you will start to see there usually is some any item offers. So any frosting, any cake mix, any cabbage, potatoes, these are very good offers to just, if you're doing your regular grocery shopping, you could always submit your receipt to Swagbucks and earn a little bit of change back. So 25 Swagbucks, 25 cents. We have like 2 Swagbucks would be 2 cents. Hopefully you guys are understanding the math to it. So yeah, if you're just doing any regular grocery shopping, it's worth it to, get a couple of cents here and there for things you would buy anyways. And yeah, that's pretty much self-explanatory right here. So we'll go ahead and scroll back up. Now you can go ahead and click on this little feature that has a shopping cart beside it, and you see in parentheses 13. It's showing you what you have added to your list right now. It'll also show you an estimated total of Swagbucks you can earn back based off of what's on your list. And usually when you submit any receipt for a rebate on Swagbucks, you'll usually get an additional 2 cents for uploading any receipt. So yeah, that's everything I have on my list right there. You definitely want to make sure, so when you're adding items to your list, I should say, let's say I want to go ahead and buy the Baby Ruth bars. It looks like a good deal to me. You will click add to list. And as long as it's added to your list, you can go ahead and submit your receipt. If it is not added to your list, do not submit your receipt. Go into the app, add it to your list real quick, and then you can submit your receipt. So we're going to go ahead and do an example of submitting a receipt. Now, there's not necessarily any rebates on here for this receipt. It's the closest one I had on hand. But this is just to show you, for the sake of the video, how you would submit a receipt if you had some rebates on it that you were hoping to redeem for on Swagbucks. So go ahead and click this little icon towards the bottom of the screen. It shows a receipt. And then it'll ask, where did you shop? So you go through, you can scroll through and find the stores that you were, the store that you were shopping at. Or you can just type it in to the search bar right here. Up here, it shows the recent store that you were shopping at. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and hit CVS for this particular store. I will hit next, and then you can see my list. There's nothing on my list that I'm really submitting for except for 2 cents for any item. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then it'll also show you down here, not eligible items. These are items that you cannot submit for. Sorry, I cannot speak. So hence the kaboom with OxyClean. It shows you can only buy it at Walmart. And this is not Walmart, this is CVS. So we're going to go ahead and hit next. And then it shows you how to go ahead and take a picture of your receipt. You want to show the full receipt, the store that you bought it at, the date of the purchase. I'm going to go ahead and click camera, or you can go ahead and take a picture beforehand and submit it through the files. I'm going to go ahead and take a picture. Whoops, there's my face. So here we go. I'm going to try to get it in full. There we go. So then you just got to wait a second. If that looks good, go ahead and hit the next bar. Make sure, like it says, do you have everything it needs? The date, the store name, receipt total, and all the relevant items. And then it takes a minute to scan for the deals. Hopefully we'll see a little bunny here in a second that tells us we got at least 2 cents back for this receipt. Yep, there he is. And he will tell you that you got your award for submitting your receipt. So we're going to go ahead and click done. We submitted that receipt, and there was a rebate for buy 2 degree deodorants, get $4 back in Swagbucks. And it did not pick up on that. So what we can go ahead and do is go to the little bars on the side right here. We'll go ahead and go to recent activity. Recent activity will show you all the Swagbucks you've been earning lately in the last 7 days. You can also filter it to show more. So this is the one we just submitted for. And let's say we want to go ahead and submit a issue. So we'll hit the bottom little bar right here for contact customer support. And then it shows you, it may take up to 7 days to credit you for the item you were missing. Please double check that you met all the offer terms. And then they may ask you for proof to help expedite your request. So go ahead and click contact us. And here you will go ahead and select the upload date. You will attach an image of your receipt. And then on the comments, usually with the comments, I just say, hey, I bought 2 of these items. Swagbucks was offering me $4 back for these deodorants. I was not credited for it. I bought the correct scents, and maybe list the scents that I bought, etc. I'll go ahead and do that. And then you would hit the check bar for the please acknowledge the following and then submit. Now, Swagbucks is very good about coming back to tickets and, issuing you the Swagbucks you were supposed to earn pretty quickly. In my experience, usually within a day or 2, I usually hear back. The longest it's taken me is maybe 4 days, but Swagbucks is usually on top of it. So if you come up with an issue like that they're very good with their customer service. And do not fret if the rebate happens to disappear while you're still waiting for them to go over your ticket and credit you for that. They will still usually credit you for that, even though the rebate is not active anymore. So that is that. I think that is basically everything that covers Swagbucks. Of course, you can see up here the Swagbucks you have. Currently, I have $12.34. If you wanted to go ahead and cash out, hit redeem Swagbucks, and it'll show you all of the options to cash out for. It'll show you most popular rewards, the gift cards you can afford, the on-sale rewards. The on-sale rewards you definitely want to keep your eye on, because right here you can buy a $25 Visa gift card and pay only $21 for it. So 13% off. Those are where it's at. Normally, I usually go for the Walmart gift cards, PayPal direct deposit. You just link your PayPal email. Amazon is a good one. I'll use that if I'm doing any Amazon shopping. You have Starbucks, all the good stuff. Even CVS, that one's on sale for pay $9.50 to get a $10 gift card, so you save 50 cents. So yeah, there's definitely numerous options of gift cards. You don't necessarily need to buy a gift card. Like I said, you can go ahead and buy a PayPal gift card, but that is just issued straight to your PayPal account. So yeah. I think that's basically it. I know there is one thing. Monthly Swagbucks offers you like a monthly bonus. So let's say for the month of March, they will issue me a 55-cent Swagbuck bonus just for logging into the app. Or I believe it's via email, I should say. You go into your email and they'll show you your Swagbuck bonus for the month. And you can go ahead and just on that email click that you want to go ahead and accept it, and it'll be added to your Swagbucks account. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that is all the maneuvers of it. And then, of course, you can refer your friends. You can text them or email them your referral code. But yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. I really think that Swagbucks is super easy to maneuver through. Hopefully you guys understand that. Like I said, if you're wanting to do in-store shopping, you go to the shop category right here and hit magic receipts. It shows you the in-store offers. So that is that. We're going to go ahead and debrief. Hopefully that tutorial made you a little more comfortable and kind of gave you a better idea of how to use Swagbucks. Now, I will say one thing with Swagbucks is I assume that Swagbucks and Checkout 51 somehow are affiliated if you are a Checkout 51 user. You will notice if you have both apps and are looking at the rebates on both apps that they kind of are similar and match up. Now, sometimes that can cause issues if you are wanting to do a rebate and the rebate is available on Swagbucks and Checkout 51. Sometimes that can cause issues and a message may pop up on your end on Checkout 51 or on Swagbucks saying that you already had submitted for that rebate. I would probably suggest, if you are using both rebate apps, to make an account with Swagbucks with a different email than you use for Checkout 51, if that makes sense. Me being silly, did not do that. So I found the best option for me if I'm wanting to use both rebate apps together is to submit to Checkout 51 first and then to Swagbucks. I find no issue with getting the cashback on either apps. I have run into issues before where I submit to Swagbucks first and then Checkout 51, and they will pop up an error message saying I already submitted for the receipt. However, I have submitted a correction of a receipt when that happens, and they'll usually give me the cash back. But just so you guys don't fall into that, I would highly recommend signing up with 2 different emails for those apps. And if you are wanting a Checkout 51 tutorial, I can go ahead and give you guys that as well. If you are needing any other rebate app tutorial, eventually I will get through all of them. I just want to go off of what you guys are needing the most at the moment. So go ahead and drop down in the comments what rebate app you are needing a tutorial on next, and I will definitely work my hardest to get that out as soon as possible. And I hope that, like I said, clears everything up for you guys and makes you a little more comfortable. If you are new to Swagbucks, I do have my referral link down in the description box. You guys will get a little kickback for signing up my referral link, and it's the best of both worlds. So that is it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!